Hi everyone, I am Dr. Saravana Kumar, Assistant Professor, belongs to SNS B-Spine, Department of Management Studies. Today I am going to discuss very important case with my students. Maximizing agricultural profits through technological innovations. So we are going to analyze this case study with my students.
Biotechnology and genetic engineering plays a crucial role in modern agriculture, offering innovative solutions to enhance crop productivity, improve food quality, and address environmental changes. Biotechnology involves using biological systems, organisms, or derivatives to develop products and applications for various sectors, including agriculture. Genetic engineering, a subset of biotechnology, focuses on manipulating an organism's genetic material to introduce desirable traits and characteristics. In agriculture, biotechnology and genetic engineering have led to the development of genetically modified organisms, which is called GMOs, which have traits such as pest resistance, herbicide tolerance, and improved nutritional contents. These advancements have contributed significantly to crop yield increases, reduced pesticide use, and enhanced food security. Some key applications of biotechnology and genetic engineering in agriculture include crop improvement. Genetically modified crops are developed to resist pests and diseases and environmentally stresses, leading to higher crop yields. Nutritional enhancement. Genetic engineering can enhance the nutritional content of crops, such as increasing vitamins or protein level, addressing nutritional challenges. Disease resistance. Biotechnology enables to development of crops resistance to viral, bacterial, and fungal diseases, reducing the yield loss and the need for chemical treatment. Environmental sustainability. Biotech crops with traits like drought resistance, drought tolerance, or nitrogen use efficiency contributes to sustainable agricultural practices by conserving water and reducing fertilizers. Overall, biotechnology and genetic engineering continues to revolutionize agriculture, offering innovative solutions to meet the challenges of feeding a growing global population sustainably while minimizing environmental impacts. Thank you.
Hi, India has seen a rise in agri-startup aiming to address various challenges and to modernize the agri-sector. Some of the agro-tech companies that uses technology in agriculture are AgroStart, FarmCart, Facile, Byju's, and Village Agro. These agri-tech startups provides various agricultural solutions, information, transportation services, and our government also takes many steps to help and motivate these startups.
Engineering and biotechnology in agriculture involves using advanced methods to modify the genes of crops. This can make them resistant to pests and diseases, more tolerant to harsh environmental conditions like drought, or even increase their nutritional value. By doing this, farmers can grow more crops effectively, reduce the need of chemicals, pesticides, and potentially improve food quality.
Hi, data analytics and decision support system in agriculture management, data collection from sensor, satellites, and machinery, integration device, data source, real-time monitoring of crop conditions and weather, risk assessment, optimization, and farming practices.
Hi friends, I am Sri from SNS MBA B-Spine. I am currently pursuing my second year MBA in logistics and agriculture. Now I am here to talk about robotics in agriculture. Robotics in agriculture automates most of the farming activities and saves money for the farmers by reducing or eliminating the manual labor. It requires lower operational costs and increases productivity. It makes efficient use of essential resources such as water, chemicals, and fertilizers, etc. Thank you.
Hi, I am Abhishek from SNS B-Spine. My specialization is agri and logistics. According to this case, my solution is integrated farming. Integrated farming is also known as mixed farming, involves various agriculture activities in the same field. By integrating various crops, livestock, and various agriculture fields, farmers can get more income.
Hi, I am Ramamurthy from SNS B-Spine, and I am pursuing our second year MBA in agriculture and logistics. So according to this case, I am going to give my solution. So in my point of view, precision agriculture will benefit the farmers in many ways. Like it will help them to develop their farm, and it also reduce the cost for production. And you know what is meant by precision agriculture? So implementing the technology to analyze the crop and as well as the farm to understand what the crop needs and take the action according to the result is called precision agriculture. It includes lots and lots of technology, and with the help of precision agriculture we can able to cut the cost, we can able to enhance the quality of the products, and we can able to reduce the wastage, and it will help us to promote the sustainability. So in the point of view, precision agriculture will lead the future in agriculture.
Hi, I'm Sai Prasad from second year MBA B-Spine. My specialization is agriculture and logistics. Blockchain technology will be one of the great solutions for this case. There are many aspects to be considered in the blockchain technologies. The main aspects is supply chain transparency. The supply chain transparency helps agriculture to note all the things from starting. Blockchain technologies give access to financing, data management, fair trade and payments. It actually helps in many ways for transparency and quality assurance of the product.